Welcome into the channel. As you can see from the title of this video, the recipe today is for orange chicken. And this orange chicken is the best that I have ever tasted. But don't just take my word for it. Follow this recipe and you be the judge. Let's get into it. Here I'm dicing up my shallots and my garlic. And I've also grated up a little bit of ginger. I have 2 large eggs here that I'm whisking together, adding to it some salt and black pepper. And I'm adding my chicken pieces to it. I'm using chicken breast, making sure that each piece is covered. Now in this bowl, I'm adding some flour, all-purpose flour, and some cornstarch. This is going to serve as my batter. Now I'm using a strainer to get rid of the excess liquid from the egg mix, so that my batter won't clump up so bad. So we're going to just get rid of that. And then we'll go ahead and move over to our flour and cornstarch mixture. And I'm simply going to go in with a little at a time to make sure that each piece is fully coated. Want to make sure each piece is fully coated. That's very important. Preparing my orange zest here. So now we're going to go ahead and combine our ingredients that we're going to be using for our sauce. I have my freshly squeezed orange juice here, rice vinegar, some water, soy sauce, sesame oil, orange zest, cornstarch, and last but not least, some granulated sugar. And we're simply going to go ahead and whisk all of this together and set it aside until later use. Moving over to our stove now, we're going to go ahead and fry up our chicken pieces. And I'm frying this chicken in batches because I do not want it to clump together. I want it to be able to move freely in the oil once it is done. A good indicator of when it is ready is when you see it floating. It didn't take long to cook. I left it in the oil for about a good 6 minutes. The next step in this recipe is going to be sauteing our shallots and our garlic. And we're now ready to go ahead and add in our sauce, or our mixture that's going to make up our sauce. Adding in my ginger here. And I'm going to bring this to a simmer. Adding in some red pepper flakes here, just to give it a bit of a kick. And we're going to let it simmer until it starts to thicken up. Not quite ready. Just right. It's ready. So now we're going to go ahead and start to add in our pieces of chicken. Tossing to coat each piece. Simmer just a little bit longer to thicken up more. And it is ready, guys. Now I almost forgot to show you guys what it looks like on the inside because I immediately began to eat this once it was ready. But here you go, a shot of the inside of what it looks like. This was simply delicious, guys. You must try it. Thanks for stopping in today. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. And until next time, you guys take care. Shalom.